Hey guys, Richard here. In this video, we're just going to do a garage video, talk about some updates, talk about a few things going on. I hope everyone's having a great start to the new year. My new year was, it started out rough, let me tell you what. I've been sick for about 8 days now and still recovering. I'm still missing my truck. That is a rental car we've got right now. For those of you who've been following my channel for a little while, you know my truck went into the shop almost 2 weeks ago now. And yeah. Supposed to be in there just for a few hours, in and out kind of deal. And oh boy, one problem after another. Yeah, I ended up taking it from one maintenance shop, taking it over to another one to see if they would actually get the job done and complete it a little bit faster. And parts are on national back order, and so now we're trying to find some used parts, and just one of those kind of deals. So it's just dragging on and on and on. So not a great way to start the new year. Hey, look, this is a messy desk, but look here, we got some new lighting up here. I'll show you that real quick. Some new lighting, and we got a new camera right there, a new webcam. So when Emma or somebody is in here doing some podcasting, we're going to start doing that, especially for like our Q&A sessions and things. We're getting better set up to do that with. What's going on in here? So this thing has been a pain in the butt to get repaired. I had to replace the cable for the derailleur, and the one I bought took, I don't know, a week or two to about a week or 10 days to actually get here, because I think it came from China, and it turns out it was about 8 inches or so too short. So that was a big bummer. So I had to go out and find another one that was longer and order it. I just got it in, so I'm going to try to continue working on this and get this thing fixed finally, because I still owe 630 the full review video on this. And if you missed it and you're not sure what's going on, it's because my son-in-law Devin had an accident with it. Pretty nasty accident. Broke a few things. So he's doing better now, doing fine. But I got to get this fixed so I can get that video done. Let's see what else we got. We still need to do the full review of the Mooncool TK Pro. We've been holding off on that just because it had a defect. We were able to fix ours, and I wanted to continue doing some testing with it to make sure my fix was going to work. At the factory level, they've got a similar fix from what I understand, but I'm just testing things out before I put my name on this one, right? Excellent trike in all respects except for the defect down there. We're still working through that. Oh, let's see what else we got in here. Anything new? We don't have anything new yet. We finally got the fenders and rack in this past week for the electric Express 750. So Emma put those fenders on, that rack on for me. So it is ready to go now finally. If I had that for a few months, but those things have been on back order this whole time. So glad to finally get those out. Got the Meet One Tour, just did a video on this. I got to get it edited and out to you guys, but we're talking about the new premium seat here. Kind of cool seat. Just has some limitations, so be looking for that video if you're interested. And what else? Nothing new. Nothing new in here really. Got a couple bikes that are supposed to be sent this month. Meet One Tour is sending the smaller model at the end of the month. Electric is supposed to be sending the 2 brand new bikes they have, the X-Peak 2.0 and also the cargo bike, the Expedition 2.0. Really looking forward to that, because I tell you what, Electric, man, that brand is really up and coming. I mean, they've made their mark. They started out, it's a cheaper kind of brand. The quality wasn't that great. And now 5 years into their business, they have grown. They're the largest e-bike company in the United States. The quality has improved significantly. The quality of this Express 750 here is super nice. The one bike that they put out, we had that one for a short while. That one, the quality on it was super, super nice. So I'm excited to see what these 2 new bikes that they just launched are going to be like. Let's see, what else in here? Nothing else. Still have this Muckpet step wagon. Had to think about the name of it. The Muckpet step wagon, I still need to do another video on that before we do something with it, but that will be coming up for sale soon. And we're about to go ahead and sell this hay bike, Mars 2.0. I'm done with that, so I'm going to put that up for sale. Let's see. And we still have this one. So we got a couple things in here that just are not selling too well, like this radio flyer. They sell it retail for $1,900, and I got my price down to $750 just trying to get it moved out of here. Also, We're missing something. We're missing something. Oh, there it's hidden. The 630 reverse trike right there. Yeah, that one sells for $2,000 as well, and I've got that price dropped down to $750 just trying to get it moved out because can't find anybody that wants to buy it locally. Sorry guys, I don't ship. This is only local pickup only. So that's it for bikes and things got going on. Yeah, it's a beautiful day today, so we're going to get out here. We're going to get the seat taken off and put the other seat back on. Got someone coming this afternoon to test ride this. And got a couple more videos to try to make for you guys to get some content out there. Oh, hey, did you check out the new look on our webpage? Both our website at Florida E-Bike Adventures, and also here on YouTube. We got a new logo, Stanley. We made Stanley our official logo here, kind of changed up our coloring just a little bit. So let me know what you think about that. Drop a message down below. Give me some feedback if you like it or not compared to what it used to look like. That would be beneficial to us. Guys, that's it for this video. You guys have a great start to your new year, and I'll see you in another video real soon.